Today we will discuss about the mechanical second year third semester computer aided machine drawing. Here we have 3 units. Okay, first units drawing standards and fit and tolerance. Here we will study about the basic drawings. Okay, what are the basics we have to follow while drawing the diagram. Okay, machine components. While drawing the machine components, what are the basics we have to follow, basic standards we have to follow while drawing the component. Okay, here first BIS specification and welding symbols. Okay, code of practice for engineering drawings and rivet joints. Okay, keys, fasteners and reference to handbook for the selection of standard components like bolt, nut and screws, keys, etc. Okay, limits and fit and tolerance. Individual dimensions. Okay, tolerancing of individual dimensions and specification of fit and preparation of production drawing. Okay, production drawing and reading of part and assembly drawings, basic principles of geometric dimensions and tolerance. These all are the details we have to study about the first units. Okay, here in that first units. Okay, first units, first of all abbreviations for the code of practice for engineering drawings. Okay, we have lot of terms while using the drawing. Okay, while preparing your drawings we have terms. In that terms we have each terms having abbreviation. Okay, like assembly, if you take assembly means it is abbreviation is ASSY and centimeter cm and centers CRS and center line CL. Likewise we have lot of abbreviation for the drawing terms. Okay, drawing terms. Here we list out all terms. We can go through one by one. And next, standard codes. We can make a drawing. While making a drawing we have specifying letter and size of the drawing sheet and scales and dimensions and everything we will taken according to the IS code. Okay, IS standard codes we can take the specifications. Okay, next welding symbols. Okay, actually welding, we will make a welding for two metals for joint permanent, give the permanent joint. Okay, next welding symbols. In that welding symbols we can have lot of welding symbols. Okay, while making a welding we can join two metals permanently. We can join two metals by the application of heat or pressure. We will join the metals. Okay, here types of welding processes available: gas welding, arc welding, under the arc welding, metal arc welding and gas metal arc welding, submerged arc welding and tungsten inert gas welding and metal inert gas welding. Likewise a variety of arc welding is available. Then forge welding and resistance welding, thermist welding and high energy weldings. These all are the welding types. Okay, then we go for the welding symbols. Okay, basic elements for the welding symbols. Here tile and field weld symbol. Okay, this is a field weld symbols and arrow joint. Next arrow to joint. Then weld all around symbols. Okay, next weld into for other side and weld into for arrow side. These are the main elements. Next we go to the symbols. Okay, welding symbols. We have lot varieties of joint is available. Okay, butt weld joint and square butt joint and single B butt weld and single bevel butt weld and single B weld. Likewise we can have the varieties of joint, welding joint. Okay, each welding joint having the specific symbols. Okay, we can mention this symbol into the drawing for making that place to weld. Okay, next rivet joint. Okay, rivet joint we can it is a rivet joint is the permanent type of fastener used to join the metal plates or rolled sheet section together. Okay, we have to join the metal plates, okay, or rolled sheet into the permanent type joint. We can use the riveted joint. Okay, here types of riveted head is available. Okay, next is screw thread and keys and fasteners. Okay, screw thread, we can have the types of thread is available. First of all, term, okay, nomenclatures of thread. Okay, here crest, root and flank or side, angle of thread and depth of thread, major diameter, outside diameter or and minor diameter or core diameter. Every parameters is available in that thread. Types of thread, first of all, sharp V thread and square thread and Whitworth thread and buttress thread and ACME thread, worm thread. Like this, types of thread is available. According to that, we can specify the symbols for thread. Okay, in the diagram. Then keys. Okay, keys are the machine elements used to prevent relative rotational movements between shaft and parts mounted on the it. Okay, on it. Like pulleys. Okay, if you have any pulleys or gear or wheels, we will align while using the key. Okay, because we can use the key, we can arrest the relative rotational movement of the two parts. Okay, types of keys available: saddle key and flat saddle key and hollow saddle key, sunk key, under the sunk key, tapped sunk key and parallel sunk key, one key and round key. Like this, the types of keys available. According to the place, we will use the types of key. Okay, next bolt and nut. Okay, bolt and nut, we can fix the two parts. Okay, we can hold the two parts, we can use the bolt and nut. Okay, here bolt and nut is standard size is available for, we can select the bolt and nut. Okay, everywhere, every assembly time we can use the bolt and nut for joining the two parts. That bolt and nut is a standard specified dimension is available. According to the our components, we can select the bolt and nut. Okay, next limits and fit and tolerance. Okay, limits, we have types of limits, upper limits and lower limits. Okay, according to the our component assembly, we can use the upper limits and lower limits, as well as fit. We can according to the applications of components, we can use the fit, clearance fit and transition fit and interference fit. Okay, next tolerance. Okay, tolerance specifying symbol is, we can mention the tolerance. Likewise, tolerance values 0.02 and totem letters and tolerance symbols. Likewise, we can mention the tolerance in the diagram. Okay, then varieties of all symbol is available here. Okay, these all are the topics under the first units. Okay, next we will go to the second units next class. Okay, thank you.